Hamjambo, jina langu ni Jacinta, karibuni katika darasa la leo. Hello, welcome back to today's Swahili lesson. My name is Jacinta. In today's lesson, katika somo la leo, we are going to learn about the habitual tense in Swahili. The habitual tense. This particular tense is used when one is talking about things that he or she does on a regular basis. It can be daily, every morning, every evening, every weekend, every week. It depends. But the most important thing is that this tense will help you when you are talking about something that happens occasionally, or let me say on a regular basis. The tense marker for this particular tense is usually who. Just H-U, who in Swahili. That one is usually used when you are making a sentence in habitual tense. So let's go ahead and look at examples of sentences so that you understand even more. The first sentence I have, mimi husoma kila siku. Mimi husoma kila siku. I read every day. Sisi husoma kila siku. Sisi husoma kila siku. We read every day. So I have also done the negative of the same sentences on the other side. So if I want to say, I don't read every day. I don't usually read every day. This is how I'll say it. Mimi sisomi kila siku. Mimi sisomi kila siku. I don't read, or I don't usually read every day. Sisi hatusomi kila siku. We don't read every day. Sisi hatusomi kila siku. The next sentence. Wewe huenda kazi kila siku. Wewe huenda kazi kila siku. You go to work every day. You go to work every day. Nyinyi huenda kazi kila siku. Nyinyi huenda kazi kila siku. You all go to work every day. So nyinyi is when I'm referring to you, plural. Nyinyi huenda kazi kila siku. You all usually go to work every day. The negative. Wewe huendi kazi kila siku. You don't go to work every day. Wewe huendi kazi kila siku. You don't go to work every day. Nyinyi hamuendi kazi kila siku. You all don't go to work every day. Nyinyi hamuendi kazi kila siku. The next sentence. Yeye hulima kila mwaka. Yeye hulima kila mwaka. He or she cultivates the farm or the land every year. He or she cultivates every year. Kila mwaka. Wao hulima kila mwaka. They cultivate every year. They cultivate every year. The negative of the same. Yeye halimi kila mwaka. He or she doesn't cultivate every year. Maybe there are some years that he skips or she skips. Then the next one. Wao hawalimi kila mwaka. They don't cultivate every year. So this is a simple way you can use habitual tense in Swahili language. First, you begin with the subject. Am I talking about myself? Mimi. Am I talking about us? Sisi. So you need the subject, and then you need the tense marker, who, to show habitual tense. And then you need a verb, for instance, soma, and then you can include kila siku, or however you want to put your sentence. So a point to note, you can also use the following. We have kila mwezi, which means every month. Kila mwezi, every month. Kila wiki, every week. Kila wiki. Kila asubuhi, every morning. Kila wikendi, every weekend. Kila jioni, every evening. Kila Jumamosi, every Saturday. So it depends. You might be talking of something that's usually done every week, every month, every morning, every weekend, every evening, every Saturday. It depends. And also, it's not a must for you to say kila in all your sentences. You can as well talk of habitual tense without mentioning every. For instance, yeye hulala mapema. Yeye hulala mapema. She usually sleeps early. She usually sleeps early. So sleeping early is a habit that she does. She sleeps early. Yeye hulala mapema. It can be she or he. Second one, wao hutembea pamoja. Wao hutembea pamoja. They usually walk together. So it means every time you see them, they are walking together. You will say wao hutembea pamoja. So this particular who is the one to tell you that that particular action is not just done once, but can be done occasionally on a regular basis. So I hope from those examples, you have understood how to use habitual tense in Swahili language. Just remember the tense marker is who, and then the basics that you need when constructing a Swahili sentence: subject, verb, and then the rest can follow. Thank you so much for watching. If you have a question, let me know down in the comment section. And for your small assignment, you can try to write 2 to 3 sentences each in habitual tense. Talk about something that you usually do. It can be every day. You will use kila siku. Talk about something that you usually do every weekend in the comment section, and I will be able to correct. Asanteni sana, tutaonana tena wiki ijayo. Kwaheri.